Gonna relax, listen to some music, and replace the battery on this guy. So I got this in today. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how easy this is to do. If you are here, make sure to say hi. I can definitely see the chat. All right, looks like we got the spud here that we're gonna need, and the battery. The funny thing is, when I got this Kindle not that long ago, I think it was sometime in March of this year, they said they had replaced the battery. So we're about to find out if they did or not, because the battery doesn't last a single day. I could fully charge it overnight, and then I could leave it for a day, and by that point, it's like this. So that kind of sucks. So I just figured I would do this live and hope it goes well. So here's a replacement battery. Definitely just a generic, not from Amazon. But they say this process is pretty easy. So I guess we'll find out. Now we're going to need this spudger here. Hopefully you guys can hear the music okay. I have my AirPods on, so if the music is too loud or my voice is too quiet or too loud, let me know. All right, so let's get started. Probably a bad idea to do this live, but you know, I was gonna do a whole video on it anyways, so might as well just do it live. What could possibly go wrong, huh? It's the first time ever replacing this. I know they say it's easy, but I guess we'll find out. So far, not easy. I know it's just supposed to open here. I'm trying not to damage it or anything. Maybe you just do it here on the page buttons. Oh, jeez. Here I am struggling over there with the other side. Hopefully I didn't break anything. I mean, once you get into it, oh, there we go. Okay, looks to still be all in one piece. Seems to have all of its pieces on there still, so that's kind of cool. Yep, so it looks like they did replace it. It might actually be the same battery. Yeah, it totally is the same battery. Okay, well, let's swap it out then. I don't know what happened because they said they replaced it. I only had it a few months. And the first few months, the battery was holding a really good charge. It would stay charged for like a whole month without any problems. And then just in the last week or so, I noticed that it was just not lasting long anymore. And then, yeah, it's to the point where it just doesn't hold any charge. I mean, I guess that's what you get when you're getting one of these. It says 2023. What does this one say? It doesn't say it. Yeah, because who knows when they replaced the battery on it, to be honest. They could have replaced it long ago before I even bought it. So that's the old one. So here's the new one. And it's just that easy. You just literally pop it in there. Oh, what is that? It looks like it's part of this. Okay, I don't want to lose anything here. Looks like it's the contact for the screws. Okay, so I think we go in this way. There we go. All right, and then we just screw it back together. See how that does. So yeah, this is the third generation Kindle, which I absolutely love, and apparently a lot of people really like it as well, which is really nice. I would really like to get my hands on a white one. So far, the white ones on eBay all look really terrible and dirty. You can always clean them, I guess, but I don't know. Well, that's it. Battery's installed. Empty battery. So it's definitely going to need to charge. But let's go ahead and put the case back on. Make sure we do it the right way. And hopefully just have to snap it back in there. Let's hope it's as easy as that, right? Seems to be. A lot of people wonder why I switched back to the old school Kindle, and I just have to say, I prefer the design of it over the newer ones. And the backlight I don't really need. I do have a little light that I can use for if I do want to read at night. This one seems to be the stubborn one here. Hopefully I didn't put this on wrong. I don't want to break it. Okay, well, let's wait on that for now. Okay, it looks like it's starting up, which means there was probably some battery left in it. I do have my cable here. Good old micro USB. You guys remember micro USB back in the day? So let me put that in to charge. Who knows how full the battery is on it, to be honest. Guess we'll find out together. Your battery is running low. Please recharge your Kindle. You got it. So we're gonna recharge it right now. All right, so the little light's on. Oops. Right there. Shows charging. So put it to sleep. And it's definitely charging. I guess we'll just wait and see what happens. But yeah, that's the replacement for the Kindle 3rd generation battery, guys. Yeah, who knows if these just aren't meant to last that long. Again, it says 2023, so who knows how long it was actually in the Kindle before I bought it, because I just bought it this year. But yeah, these were about $14, $15. They have one that's double the milliamps. I think it was like $25. Who knows if it's actually that much better. I'm sure the Amazon branded ones, which I couldn't find anywhere, I'm sure are way better, because these used to last over 30 days on a full charge. But yeah, looks like it's charging, so I want to say it was successful. Thank you for anyone that watched. Like I said, I don't know if I'll just re-upload this with edits or if I'm just going to upload the whole thing like this. I guess we'll see. It's only been about 14 minutes, so it didn't take that long. But anyways, guys, take it easy. I've been Rudy with the Retro Universe, and hope you guys have a wonderful night. Take care. Bye.